welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some pom-poms. We're going to be using yarn and scissors. I have a friend over and she's going to help me make some pom-poms. So first you're going to cut a long piece of yarn. And after that, you just put it like that. And then you start twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting, twisting and twisting. And if you think you want to do one finger, don't try it because it's a little hard after. I like to do two fingers or three. So now it looks like this. I wrapped it all around my finger. And now we have a not long piece, but like a medium piece of yarn. And then we're just going to take this off and then tie it around like this. So you just pull it off. It might take a while like this, but eventually you will get it. And like that. So now it looks like this, and then you're gonna take your not long but medium-sized piece, and then you're just gonna put it there. I like to just do that, and then tie a knot over it. Just tie two. Can you help me? I'll help you after I just finish mine, okay?
When you're done, cut off the excess.
So now that you cut off the excess, you could see these little loops, and then you just snip through them to make them two parts. So you just start snipping all of them with your scissors. So I cut off all the loops, and now I'm gonna just trim the pom-pom to make it look more good. It's okay if it's a little messy because then you can just clean it up after. So now that I'm done trimming mine, I think it's time to play. We're done.